Hey Amazon shoppers, today we're going to check out the Dlyfull rechargeable battery station and batteries. So this thing comes with a full set of 12 AA rechargeable batteries. These are environmentally friendly batteries. They do not come with any sort of mercury, cadmium, or lead. They're rechargeable up to 1,200 times, and they are a 2,800 milliamp battery. This charger comes with a power cable and the charging station. The charging station does have enough positions for all of your batteries. You must put all these batteries in pairs. It will not charge these individually, so make sure that you always have an even number of batteries in here. So you're going to go ahead and place your charger into the cord. It also has a Type-C in case you have a Type-C charger. It comes with 2 sets of LEDs and 2 different modes. It will tell you once you place the batteries into position, it will do an initial assessment of the battery to see how much charge it needs to charge. So once you place your 2 batteries in, the light will show up in that section, charging section. So once you place those batteries in, it will do initial assessment, and then this red light will tell you that the batteries are not charged. Once the batteries are charged, the LED light will turn to green. So these are high capacity rechargeable batteries that you can hold 80% of the overall storage for up to 3 years. They have an extreme temperature rating of negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So they should be able to withstand being in any object that you use indoor or outdoor in almost any scenario. And it fits 12 batteries in here. It's a quick charger. It uses either the cord that it comes with, or you can use a Type-C. And the indicators will turn green whenever it is ready to rock and roll. Pick up now today on Amazon.